This is the official Raspberry Pi 5 27 watt USB-C power supply. Just read out what is written on the cover. AC 100 to 240 volt, 50 or 60 Hz input, USB power delivery, providing 5.1 volt at 5 ampere DC or 9 volt 3 ampere DC, 12 volt 2.25 DC or 15 volt at 1.8 ampere DC. Maximum power output is 27 watts. There is a 1.2 meter 17 AWG captive cable, USB-C output connector. 2-pin AC connector is compatible with Indian systems, and the USB-C type of cable is in here. This is a USB-C type of pin over there. This can go into the Raspberry Pi 5. And this is a thick cable, USB power delivery cable. It's quite thick, capable of delivering sufficient amperage for the Raspberry Pi 5 and peripherals. Another view showing the power adapter, USB Type-C connector and the cable together.